Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I said I would upload a little bit more regularly in my last video, but I've got something really exciting coming in the next week. I say week, I'll give myself a week, but it'll probably be within the next couple of days. So make sure you're not subscribed. Make sure you are subscribed if you're not already, and the little notification bell. You know, everyone says it. Now, what I've got to show you today is just a very quick unboxing from Your Creative Studio. It's a lovely lady called Amanda, and she runs these vintagey style, sometimes a little bit grungy style subscription boxes for your junk journal embellishments, and they're beautiful. Everything in here really can be used in your journals, so even down to the thank you card. I was blown away by everything in the last one. So I'm just going to open it and just talk you through it, and I will leave the details of where you can find one of these boxes yourself. She has a great Instagram page, so yeah, do check her out there. Okay, so they come in these lovely paper bags. I don't know whether I want to rip it, because last time I regretted ripping some of the stickers or ripping the I'm going to get some scissors. There we go. Yeah, because I want to try and conserve the packaging if I can. Oh, that's lovely. Some lovely washi tape. Oh, it's got candles on. Let's have a look. And you get a decent amount on there. Oh yeah, I love that. Stick that there. Hope you can. Oh, folded it. I'm out of practice with this video and stuff. I hope you can see that I've got a tripod and the holder is covering. I don't know what this is. See what I mean about the packaging? That's just beautiful. Original sticker brick. Let's have a look then. Normally I would just rip into everything. Oh, okay. So there's, oh, I love these type of stickers. They're so good for just layering up, and you can distress them. So there's red there, blue and green. Those are really good for layering up if you do embellishments on your pages. And they didn't have a glossy finish, so you'll be able to stamp on them and stuff, and you know, just use your regular pen. Oh, here we've got some, it just looks like some note paper, but obviously we know that these can be used for the basis of embellishments. It's just some nice little note cards, but they've got these really nice prints on. Everything's in really neutral colours. That's why I say it lends itself to perhaps, oh, I like that, something that is a little bit vintage in style. Oh, I love anything that's, oh, I like that. Those are good, aren't they? Lovely little envelopes. I like anything that's airmail, travel themed, because they make really good themes for journals. So this one says that it's a cling stamp, so we'll open it. I'm going to cut here to try and preserve. Oh, it's a typewriter. I hope you can see that. That's lovely, and it's got enough space there on the page of the typewriter that you could, you know, write a small message. So I really like that. Very nice. A cling stamp again. Let's see if I can cut this one. So I hope you guys have been okay. Lots of people message me saying, you know, they miss my videos and things, so I am going to make an effort. But you know, if you follow my channel, you'll probably know that I have set up my own business, so that does take up a lot of my time. Oh wow, that's an oil lamp. That's beautiful. I've never seen anything like that. And what I like about these ones is they're the foam back ones, and I think they are better for stamps. So I like that. Let's have a look. Oh, look how well this is packaged. So it gives you a little preview on the back. I'm not going to open them, but it looks like they're just flower embellishments. I think they might already be pre-designed on the pages, but that looks really nice. Oh, look at that, a notebook. That's lovely. You could jazz this up and include this. Oh, the pages are... I was going to say you could include it in your journals as a mini journal, but the pages in there, they're great, aren't they? And it's sewn shut rather than stapled, which a lot of the cheap books that you get in the shops, they're always stapled, aren't they? So really everything is good quality. That has got a lovely, you know, texture to it. I can't fault anything. Oh, look. This must be lantern themed this week. I guess there's a kind of lantern theme. I can't get that bag open, but that's a really cute little lantern embellishment. I'll have to get some of my jewelry making things. I've got loads of my stuff in the loft because the room that I used to use for crafting is now where I run my business. So yeah, I've been up into the loft. I've got some stuff out, poured some stuff for the projects that I want to share with you in the next week or so. So that's why I say stay tuned, because there will be some nice videos coming. Oh, the side of this packet is open, so I'm just gonna pull them out. These feel like stickers. They've got, oh yeah, they've got a smooth back, so I assume you'll peel that off. But look at those. Are they like transparent, translucent? Oh, those are nice. I like, these are so good. They're like vintage posters. Make art, not war. Yeah, I love those. It's one of those things where you can just go through all the stickers and look at them for ages. But this is exactly what I mean. This is her packaging. Oh, it's got an overview on the back. But this is her packaging. You can use that in your journals, and that's what I love. Nothing goes to waste, and she puts everything together so beautifully. Oh, I like the look of whatever this is. It looks like some stickers. Does it say? Oh, an envelope set. Oh, let's have a look at those. Oh, okay, so it's some folded paper and 3 top loading envelopes. They look interesting. Let's have a look then. Oh, wow. Those are beautiful. It's like a vellum envelope. Wow, these are just gorgeous. Oh, okay, so the vase is on the envelope and then you pull that out. It looks like there's 2 in there, but those are beautiful. That vellum is really nice and thick as well, and I think it's stain does take to a degree onto vellum, so they would make all really nice things just to have a play around with. Oh, everything is just amazing. I can't, you know, rate it highly enough. Some more oil lanterns, and these are just stickers. I think they've got a clear back. Yeah, they have. So those are really nice. Oh, I hope that's in focus. God, if this video hasn't been in focus, then you will know that I'm out of touch. It's been so long. I do really miss doing the YouTube videos. It just felt like such a sense of community, and you're all just so like me, and I do miss that. So I am going to try and get back into it, because, you know, again, if you've watched some of my videos, you'll know that I've been doing a bit of sewing and crochet, because that just doesn't take up too much room. I can just have that, you know, in a little basket by the side of the sofa. But the junk journals, you know, do take up a little bit more resources. You know, they take up a little bit more space. So I'm just trying to prioritize what I can and come back to you guys, basically, is what I'm trying to say. So this is just amazing. I cannot wait to make some layouts or embellishments. I'm going to start small. But yeah, if you guys want to check this out, just head on over to the website. I'll leave it down in the description box. I do believe she's not based in the UK. On my last video I said she was based in Australia, but I haven't actually checked that. But she sends them to me, so she does do international shipping, so you guys don't need to worry about that. So thank you ever so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.